Founded in 1983 in Lake Wales, Florida, Chemical Containers, also known as CCI, has been providing services for over 35 years. We offer innovative custom equipment for storing and applying liquid chemicals, including sprayer trucks, skid sprayers, and other maintenance equipment. We also have retail stores located throughout Florida, along with locations in Georgia and South Carolina. Our machine shop at CCI headquarters fabricates custom parts in-house to specifically suit the equipment we build. With over 500,000 parts in inventory, you'll be sure to find exactly what you're looking for. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff are always happy to provide assistance with anything you may need. We look forward to providing you with excellent customer service.